Quick intro if you're new to my channel. I'm Isabella Susilowati. I'm a CFO. My world is numbers, Power BI dashboard, Excel financial models, and board pack PowerPoint presentation. I'm not an IT developer. I use AI occasionally to ask questions and get quick answers using ChatGPT and Copilot. Sound familiar? In 2019, I experienced a life-changing moment. I was working as the head of FP&A, and like most finance team, my team had to spend a lot of time on reporting, pulling the data, building spreadsheet, formatting the report before sending them via email. And if there are morning meetings, the team had to wake up extra early to create sales report that capture yesterday's sales. And then I found Power BI, and I remember the exact thoughts that I had. Wow, this is so amazing. Power BI can create reports while everyone is sleeping, and my team wouldn't have to wake up early anymore. So I took that idea to the leadership team with one sentence. Everyone, imagine if we can get our reports ready before we wake up in the morning. And they said yes, we built them, and the reports work exactly like that. I didn't feel that kind of excitement again until I started seriously learning AI. And here's what hit me. Power BI can automate reporting. AI can automate so much more. The thinking, the analysis, the narrative, the decision support, all of the repetitive work. Most people I talk to are using AI at what I call a level 1. Treating AI like a smart Google. Ask something, get an answer, move on. But there is a level 7. Multi-agent system, AI that monitor, decide, create, and responds without you in the loop. A business that can run whilst you sleep. I'm not a programmer. I studied information system. I know enough Java, VBA, and DAX to be dangerous, but my career has always been in finance, not IT. And I'm building towards a level 7 in public, filming the whole journey, the wins, the failure, the moments where things click. If you have had that same feeling that I had in 2019 about Power BI, where you feel that something big is coming, please subscribe. Let's go level up our AI together.